Namaste. Today we are launching with the ultimate toolkit 50 essential survival phrases. I've broken these down into 5 unlock categories from handling rickshaw drivers to customizing your street food spice levels. Let's learn the essentials first. To say hello in Hindi, you can say Namaste. 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 To say yes in Hindi, Haan. Haan. It's not Han, it's Ha. To say no in Hindi, Nahi. 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 Okay or fine in Hindi, ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. To say thank you in Hindi, धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया. धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. Excuse me और sorry in Hindi, माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. To say listen in Hindi, सुनिए. 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 See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. The next topic is transport. Let's say you want to ask auto rickshaw person that will you go to this place or that place. For example, brother, will you go to Lotus Temple? In Hindi, you can say Bhaiya. Bhaiya is brother. Then the location. For example, Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple chalenge. Chalenge is will you go? Bhaiya, Lotus Temple chalenge. If you want to say go by the meter, meter say chalo. Meter say chalo. You can simply say meter say chalo. Now we want to ask how much is the fare. We can ask kitna hua. Kitna hua. Kitna hua. How much? Or how much is the fare? Stop here. To say stop here in Hindi, यहाँ रोकिए. यहाँ रोकिए. Go straight. सीधा चलो. सीधा चलो means सीधा is straight. सीधा चलो is go straight. Turn left. Left ले लो. You can simply use the English word. Left ले लो. To say turn right, right ले लो. So as same as left ले लो, here you can simply say right ले लो. Drive slowly. धीरे चलिए. धीरे चलिए. धीरे is here slow. चलिए is drive. धीरे चलिए. Let's go. चलिए. चलिए is let's go. Now we want to ask where is the station. In Hindi, station कहाँ है? Station कहाँ है? Here कहाँ is where. Let's learn some shopping related phrases. How much is this? ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? So ये is here this. कितने का is how much. ये कितने का है is how much is this. It's very expensive. बहुत महंगा है. बहुत is very much. महंगा is expensive. बहुत महंगा है. Reduce the price a bit. थोड़ा कम करो. थोड़ा कम करो. Here थोड़ा is a bit or a little. कम करो is reduce. Give a fair price. In Hindi, सही दाम लगाओ. सही दाम is fair price. Lagao is literally apply. But here in this sentence, it means give. Sahi dam lagao. You want to say, I don't want it. Hindi, you can simply say nahi chahiye. If somebody asks you to buy something, nahi chahiye. Here chahiye is I want. Nahi chahiye is negative. Don't want. Show something else. कुछ और दिखाइए. कुछ और is something else. Dikhaiye is show. With respect, you are asking the person. Kuch aur dikhaiye. Show the best one. Sabse अच्छा वाला दिखाइए. You can say सबसे अच्छा वाला means the best one. For the show, you can use दिखाइए. The previous phrase what we learned. दिखाइए is show. Please show. Okay. सबसे अच्छा वाला means the best one. Do you have change? खुला पैसा है. खुला पैसा है means do you have change? Now you want to ask where is the bill? Bill कहाँ है? Bill कहाँ है? कहाँ is where. Bill कहाँ है is where is the bill. You want to ask will card or UPI work? Card चलेगा or UPI चलेगा means will it work or do you accept? So the meaning of chalega is will you accept or will it work? Something like that. So card chalega means can I use the card? UPI chalega means can I use UPI to pay you? Something like that. Okay. Next topic is related to food. Now you want to ask some water. I want water. In Hindi, pani chahiye. Pani chahiye. Pani is water. Chahiye is want. So here pani chahiye is water, want. I want water. Now you are going to try some food. You are in a hotel. You want to tell some instruction. Don't put chili. Hindi, mirchi mat dalna. Mirchi is chili. Mat dalna is don't put. Dalna is put. Mat dalna is don't put. Mirchi mat dalna. Or you want to simply say less spicy. Kam tikha. Kam tikha. You can say. So this tikha is spice. Kam is less. Less spice. Kam tikha. Give me one plate. Ek plate dena. Ek plate dena. Ek is one. Plate is same English word. Dena is give me. Ek plate dena means give me one plate. The salt is low. Now you want to say salt is very less or salt is low. Namak kam hai. Namak is salt. Kam hai is kam means less. Namak kam hai means the salt is low. Salt is less. Is it vegetarian? Veg hai. It's simply you can say veg hai means you are asking a question. Is it vegetarian? It's delicious. Now you want to give some compliment. Swadisht hai. Can simply say swadisht hai. Swadisht hai. Swadisht hai. Now you want to say it's hard. It's too hard to eat, right? Garam hai. Garam hai. Garam is hot. Garam hai means it's too hot. One more tea. Ek aur chai. Ek aur chai. Chai is here tea. Ek aur means one more. Ek is one. Aur is more. Ek aur one more. Chai. Chai is tea. Now you want to say don't put sugar. Chini mat dalna. Chini mat dalna. Here chini is sugar. Mat dalna is don't put. Next topic is related to safety. Now you want to ask some help. I need help. In Hindi, you can say मुझे मदद चाहिए. मुझे मदद चाहिए. Here, madad is help. Chahiye is need. So, madad chahiye is need help. मुझे is I. मुझे मदद चाहिए means I need help. Do you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? So here बोलते हैं is do you speak? Can you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? I didn't understand. You want to say I did not understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. See here समझ नहीं आया is I didn't get it. I didn't understand. Please say it again. फिर से बोलिए. फिर से बोलिए. बोलिए is say. फिर is again. Okay. फिर से बोलिए means say it again. Please say it again. Where is the hospital? Hospital कहाँ है? कहाँ है is where is. Here you can replace hospital with anything else. Auto stand कहाँ है? Bus stand कहाँ है? Any place you can simply replace it. So here hospital कहाँ है is where is the hospital. Call a doctor. You want to say call a doctor. Doctor को बुलाओ. Doctor को बुलाओ. बुलाओ is call. Call the police. Police को phone करो. Here you can simply say police को बुलाओ also you can say. Here phone करो means basically you are asking them to phone to the police. Police को phone करो. You want to complain that you lost your phone. I lost my phone. In Hindi मेरा phone खो गया है. Here खो गया is I lost it. Okay, I kept it somewhere or it fell down or somebody took it. So basically you lost your phone. खो गया है means lost it. मेरा फोन खो गया है. What is your number? आपका नंबर क्या है? You are asking to someone. आपका means your number क्या है? What is your number? आपका number. Your number. What is? क्या है? आपका number क्या है? Now you are in a narrow street and you don't know where to go. You want to say I'm lost. मैं खो गया हूँ. मैं खो गया हूँ. You already know खो गया means lost, right? मैं खो गया हूँ means I am lost. If you want to go even deeper and master Hindi through English at your own pace, don't forget to download our free Learn Hindi through English app. You can find the download link right now in the description below. Thanks for watching our first video. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to join our community of global travelers. We have so much more coming your way to help you unlock the beauty of India. Until next time, फिर मिलेंगे.